Okay, guys, we're going to be doing an install of Windows 7 into VirtualBox on OSX. You can kind of type whatever you want. We'll give it a gig of RAM. Create. And let's make sure it's got plenty of hard drive space. Create. And make sure we've got it booting from the ISO that we want. And let's start it up. Now you can just click next through this, install. I accept. Custom advanced, that'll give us this menu. Push next, and now you're pretty much ready to start. It'll do all the work for you, and I think it only asks you a couple questions throughout this entire process. So yeah, just go ahead and pay attention. All right. You can kind of type in whatever you want for your name. You don't even have to use a password for this. This is kind of handy. And we're going to skip the activation. Ask me later, next, work network, and it'll finalize our settings. All right, let's just make some last minute configuration changes and then you guys will be good to go. I'm going to turn the Windows firewall off. And go back to control panels. Under system, under advanced system settings, you can adjust for best performance, especially if you have a low amount of RAM. This helps a lot. And that's pretty much it. To get this thing into a base image, this is perfect. You can also go to ninite.com and add Chrome and all sorts of other little plugins and things that you might end up using. Well, before we do that, let's go to the devices and insert guest editions. Make sure you install it. Yeah, we can go ahead and reboot now. That pretty much does it for Windows 7, and I'm just going to go ahead and nip this in the bud and power that guy off now that he's been rebooted. And I will see you guys in the next video.